back to our channel Thoughtfulness. Hope you and your family is doing perfectly fine and great in these difficult times of COVID-19. The present situation has directly or indirectly impacted almost all the human lives across the globe. But in any difficult times, what I believe is that the show must go on. To keep all of our shows rolling, we are here with our second episode, wherein we are making a small effort to add a pinch of positivity in your difficult times. Today, we are going to discuss about 5 thoughts that can make you stay positive. Positive attitude is something that is very much required to fight the present situation or in any difficult times as well. Because that is the least that we can do, and that is the most what is required for fighting any situation or even the diseases. What we are sharing today is something that I have personally tried and tested, and also is based on several research and references. So without any further ado, let's get started. As per the research, our brain actually thinks into a series of thoughts. That means one thought just after the another. Now if this chain of thoughts is leading to some positive direction, then it is perfectly fine and I think we should go ahead with it. But if it is leading to some negative aspects, then we should hold on and we should stop this chain of negativity. Many a times it happens that if we have read some news, or if we are passing through some difficult times, or if something has happened with us or our family, then we tend to feel low and we tend to get depressed. This is the time when our brain actually starts procrastinating. Say for example, in the present situation, wherein we have read something about the coronavirus disease outbreak, then our mind will start thinking that what will happen to me tomorrow, whether the economy will get upright or not, what if the disease spreads much more than expected, and stuff like that. But this is the time wherein we have to just give an inner push and just try to tell ourselves that hold on, I'm not going to think anything more in this direction. It is very much required to break this chain of negativity, otherwise it may have serious impact on our brain and our mood as well. But it is very much needed that we stay positive in any difficult times. So just break this chain of negativity. Second thing is to have faith in ourselves, in our inner spirit. If you are a believer of God, then we should have faith in our God and we should have that positive belief and self-confidence in place that everything is going to be fine eventually. If we are putting right set of efforts to get out of some difficult times, then positive belief system and positive attitude definitely eases out the process. It definitely ensures that we reach our end goal and we get out of that difficult time. This is psychologically proven as well. It is very much applicable in the present COVID-19 situation. If we are putting right set of efforts, if we are doing all the precautions that is required, then that is the best we can do at our level. But then we should just think that everything will be fine eventually, because we do not know what will happen tomorrow. It can be positive, it can be negative as well. But for today, if we think that everything is going to be fine, it will definitely make our today and our present very much positive. And that is the best we can do for the present time being. And it is not wrongly said that if you desire for something from the bottom of your heart, if you desire and if you wish that these times shall pass on from the bottom of your heart, then the entire world will conspire to do so for you. And let us pray that everything definitely gets fine and every one of us gets out of this difficult time. If we are not able to break that chain of negativity by ourselves, or if we are so much low on our mood and we do not have that inner faith and self-confidence within us that everything is eventually going to be fine, then we should take some external help. From external help, I mean is that just pick up your phone call and speak to a family member or a friend, explain them your situation and just get some positive vibes from them. It so happens that many of us are away from our family, stranded, and we do not have anyone around us to speak to. Then in that situation, it definitely is possible that we are not able to revive our positive thoughts. We are very much demotivated. Then in that point of time, we just have to speak to a friend and keep us going. Now, if you do not have anyone around you and if no one is so free to speak to you over a call, then just try reading something or watching something on Amazon or Netflix or any online platform that shall give you that feel-good factor. This thing personally worked for me. Now, if you're not able to break that chain of negativity, if you're not able to revive the self-confidence within yourself, and if you happen not to find anyone to speak to or take an external help, that means if first three options are not working for you in that moment, which is very unlikely, but let's say it's not working for you, then just try engaging your mind in something. Just try doing something. And just try to finish a task. In this lockdown period when we do not have enough resources, we do not have mates and support around us, then there are a lot of works that we have to do. Just try to engage yourself in any one of them and just try to finish that task. This process of finishing that task will shift your brain from the negative thoughts, from that demotivated attitude to some positive, or at least within that process it will engross your brain into that process for finishing that task, and it will momentarily switch your thoughts and will definitely work for you. The fifth hack is a none of these options. That means all the four options, that is, you are not able to break the chain of negativity, you are very much low on your faith, you are not able to find anything or anyone to speak to or anything on online platform, which is very unlikely, and if you do not have any work, like if you have finished everything around you, which is also very unlikely, but let's say it happened for you and it happens as well, then this hack is definitely going to do marvel. Just try eating something sweet or just try eating a piece of chocolate. It is said that sweetness or cocoa in the chocolate releases some chemicals into our brain which alleviates our mood, which makes us feel better. Now if you are not a sweet lover like me, then you can just try eating something with a spicy, salty or a sour taste, because a change in taste also shifts our brain to a different thought. So just try and let me know if this fifth hack worked for you or not. So these were the 5 hacks or the 5 thoughts from my side which shall make you stay positive. This works perfectly marvel for me. So do practice it at your end and let me know how it works for you. In fact, it is said that if we practice something for more than 21 days, it will actually turn out to be our habit. And what can be the best habit to have for rather than having the habit of staying positive? So guys, refrain from negative thoughts and be positive as much as you can, because positivity is something that is very much required apart from all the precautions to give a good fight to coronavirus. Hope you liked our thoughts and hacks, and if you did, please share our video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so till date. We will be back with yet another pinch of positivity. Till then, be happy, be safe, be indoors, and we'll see you very soon.